Since their invention in the middle of the 19th century, keyboard remains an important computer input device. It enables users to perform different tasks on a computer, such as text entry and shortcuts. Typically, keys have two states, either pressed or released. Thus, a single key has only one default function, such as typing or deleting a character. Due to this, more complex commands need multiple key presses that can go up to pressing 4 keys at a time, which is unintuitive and hard to remember. We present GestAKey, a new interaction technique on physical keyboard, which combines key presses and touch information on individual keycaps. We developed hardware and software systems to detect capacitive touch on individual keycaps. The software classifies gestures and translates the combination of key presses and gestures into specific functions. For example, in Microsoft Word, users can intuitively input superscript or subscript letters by pressing a key and swiping up or down. Accented letters can be inserted by doing other gestures while pressing a key. And to input a Greek letter, users can press a key and do a circular gesture on it. As an alternative of the default deleting behavior, left or right swiping gesture while pressing the backspace key can delete a whole word to the left or right, and up or down swipes can delete the sentences. We conduct a log study to investigate the feasibility of GestAKey technology. In the first session, participants are required to finish text entry tasks or perform hotkey commands. In the second session, participants are required to perform specific gestures on a key with indicated finger. Then, a controlled experiment is conducted to compare the efficiency of GestAKey with hotkey and long press. Participants are required to use specific techniques to input the accented letter. Based on that, we define several feasible gestures and apply them to real applications. In iTunes, pressing M and swiping up can show the information of the current song playing, and add it to the library by swiping down. A swiping gesture while pressing Y starts a browser and navigates to YouTube. A circular gesture on F can toggle the full screen mode of the current application. When playing a game, players can speed up or slow down the moving velocity by pressing a key and touching at the top or bottom. With touching different parts of a key, players can also control how far a character jumps.